nature sounds. What are you doing? Eating bloody blueberries? Alright folks, I was trying to get the sounds of nature for you. But what you've got is the dog eating a blueberry plant. Red-winged blackbirds. Morning dove. Some frogs in the background. And the dog. Doing doggy things. Nature at its finest. I do believe I have an ant crawling down my shirt. Alright folks, over and out for now.